Are you ready to unlock new income streams and take your financial game to the next level? Well, at Tackle Trading, we specialize in transforming the way investors think about the markets, whether you're in real estate, stocks, or any other investment field. So we're excited to invite you to an upcoming webinar called Cashflow Synergy, Expanding Income Streams. And in this event, it's designed for all types of investors, and we'll show you how to leverage your existing knowledge, specifically with real estate, to create consistent cash flow in the stock market. And our expert team at Tackle Trading will guide you through all these proven strategies in the stock market, like covered calls, naked puts, and other cash flow systems that are designed to help you diversify and enhance your portfolio. Now, I want you to imagine adding a new income stream without the typical complexities of dealing with people. And that's the beauty of cash flowing in the stock market. So don't miss out. Register now by clicking on the link below and secure your spot in this amazing webinar. And it's time to expand your financial horizons and do it with Tackle Trading. So click on the link and join us. And I can't wait to see you there.